What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm taking you through generating an actual report from your social media accounts on Napoleoncat. If you're excited, let me know in the comments. Let's get straight in. Now, what does this do for you guys? It actually helps you generate in-depth reports, okay? I'm going to show you. Analyzing custom time periods, it schedules your social media reports for you, and it saves you a lot of time. So when you're going on to create a new report, all right, you can choose in what days you want. So let's say the last 30 days. Choose the language. Obviously, we've got English because that is what I'm speaking to right now. Okay, uploading your logo file, you can do. I don't think that I want to upload that right now. So let's just take the branding off. So tick that if you want to take the Napoleoncat branding off and upload your own file. And again, you go through on your Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and you click generate. So let's try that now. So I've chosen my Twitter, okay, and I'm going to click add to that report. Now, when you scroll down, you choose what you want to do. Followers, friends growth, page admin, okay, and let's generate. Comes up with every bit of analysis that you need. It's in progress right now, okay, and it's going from the date for 30 days to actually show you which one. Okay, when you go on more information, you can actually see all the details in your report ID. So guys, once you've actually got the report, this is what it looks like, all right? It gives you a full PDF download. So here's the key performance of my report, 763, so down by 0.13%. Up 2,099 friends, that's up about 0.5%, okay? Tells you everything about your growth, where's it going, your followers change, and your followers. Going through to your interactions. Okay, the number of interactions you're getting daily. I've actually had no interactions. That's pretty terrible. The page administrator activity. So it shows you here what's going on your activities. The map of interaction with page posts. And again, I've chose this between the 7th of April and the 13th of April. All right, just to get it on the time. So this is just a demo for you. Top 20 posts, and it goes to the legend showing you exactly what it is. So that's what your report looks like. Super, super easy, laid out perfectly for you. That's how easy it is to generate reports, guys. Super excited. Let me know in the comments if you are interested in getting involved with us right now. Okay, the reports are easy to do. Hit that link down below if you want to get involved. There's exclusive deals. And from me and from everyone at the team, thank you so much for keep hitting that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified. And I'll see you on the next video.